Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you aptitude tricks, that is speed, distance and time related aptitude tricks. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to it for more aptitude tricks and tips. Let us start with an example. A boy runs at 6 km per hour, means he will take 1 hour to run 6 kilometers. For 45 minutes, find the distance covered. Means per 1 hour he will run 6 kilometers. For 45 minutes, what is the distance he covered? Let us solve this step by step. The time they have given is 45 minutes. It is in minutes. We have to convert it to hour. How to convert it? Take the time divided by 60. 60 minutes per hour, right? That's why take 60 is equal to 0.75. 0.75 hours. We have to find out the distance here. Distance is equal to speed into time. Here the speed is 6 km and time is 0.75 hour. Let us calculate that. Distance is equal to 4.5 km. This is the distance covered in 45 minutes. Very simple, right? He will take 1 hour to cover 6 kilometers. For 45 minutes, what is the distance covered? Very simple. Convert that to hour, and distance formula is speed into time. Take the speed and time. We will get 4.5 km, that is covered in 45 minutes. I have a practice question for you, that is a car moves at 50 km per hour for 2.5 hours. Find the distance. Calculate this for practice. And the second question is, a train covers 180 km in 3 hours. What is the speed in meter per second? Means we have to find out the speed. We have a formula to find out the speed, that is distance divided by time. Distance they have given, that is 180 km and time is 3 hours. Distance divided by time, 180 divided by 3, we will get 60 km per hour. Speed is 60 km per hour. Here in this question, they have asked to find out meter per second. We have to find out the speed in meter per second. Let us convert the kilometer per hour to meter per second. Let us see that. 60 into 1000. 60 kilometer into 1000 divided by 3600. Here we have taken 3600 because in 1 hour we have 3600 seconds. That's why we have taken the 3600 here. That is equal to 16.67 meter per second. This is the answer we will get. Very simple, right? I have a practice question as well. A cycle rides 36 km in 2 hours. What is the speed in meter per second? When you practice, then only you will be perfect in this speed, distance and time related problems in aptitude. That's why make sure you practice while listening only. And the third question is, a man walks 4 km north in 1 hour and then 3 km east in 1 hour. What is his average speed? He walks 4 km in north in 1 hour. Here the time is 1 hour and 4 km. This is the distance. And east in 1 hour. Here the time is 1 hour and the distance is 3 kilometers again. Find the total distance, that is 4 plus 3. 7 kilometers. The total distance he walks is 7 kilometers and the total time is north 1 hour and east 1 hour, that is 2 hours. Average speed, we have a formula here, that is total distance divided by total time. Here the total distance is 7 kilometers divided by total time is 2 hours. It is 3.5 km per hour. This is the average speed. Add those two distances and time as well. Then here we have a formula to find the average speed, that is total distance by total time, and divide those two. 7 divided by 2, you will get the average speed, that is 3.5 km per hour. Very simple, right? I have a practice question for you for this kind of question. A cyclist rides 10 km in north 10 kilometer north in 30 minutes, then 20 kilometers south in 1 hour. What is his average speed? Just as it is, whatever I told you for this question, take the same steps, follow the same steps to solve this question as well. And the fourth question is, a car travels 90 km at 30 km per hour, then 60 km per hour. Find the total time. Here they have given two times. We have that those are, here in this question they have given two distances and two speeds. We have to find out the total time taken. Let us calculate it step by step. Time 1 is equal to distance by speed, that is the first distance is 90 kilometer divided by speed, that is 30 kilometer per hour. We will get 3 hours. And the second time is distance by speed, that is 60 divided by 60. We will get 1 hour. Total time is time 1 plus time 2, that is 3 plus 1, 4 hours. The total time taken is 4 hours. Very simple, right? I have a practice question for this. A bus travels 120 km at 40 km per hour and then 80 km at 20 km per hour. Find the total time taken. Follow the steps whatever I told you in this question. And the fifth question is, a man covers 60 km in 3 hours. Find the speed. Here they have given time and the distance, that is 60 km. We have to find out the speed. We have a formula, that is speed is equal to distance by time. Here the distance is 60 kilometers and the time is 3 hours. Divided, distance is equal to 60 divided by time is equal to 3. We will get 20 kilometers per hour. This is the speed. Very simple, right? When you apply the correct formula, then you will get easily. I have a practice question for you, that is, a car travels 150 km in 5 hours. Find the speed. Here they have given distance and the time. How to find out the speed, that is speed is equal to distance by time. Calculate it. And the sixth question is, a bus covers 120 km at 40 km per hour. How long it will take? Here they have given the distance, that is 120 km and speed, that is 40 km per hour. We have to find out the time. Time is equal to distance by speed, that is 120 divided by 40. We will get 3 hours. Time is equal to 3 hours. Very simple, right? When you apply the perfect formula, then it will be easy to you to solve any problem. When you understand the question perfectly, then it will be easy for you. And the seventh question is, a car travels 180 km. It goes at 60 km per hour for the first half. This is for the first half of the distance. And 30 km per hour for the second half of the distance. Find the total time taken. It will travel total 180 kilometers. In first half it will go 60 km per hour. In second half it will go 30 km per hour. We have to find out the total time taken. Here the total distance is 180 km. First half of the distance is 180 divided by 2, which means half of the distance, that will be 90 kilometers. Here we have to find out the time 1 and time 2, that is distance of first half divided by speed of first half, that is 90 divided by first half speed is 60. We will get 1.5 hours. And to find the time 2, that is distance of second half, that will also 90 kilometers only. 90 divided by speed of second half, that is 30 kilometers per hour, is equal to 3 hours. We will get 1.5 hours and 3 hours. Have to add these two to find out the total time, that is time 1 plus time 2. We will get 1.5 plus 3. Total time is 4 hours. It will take 4 hours to travel 180 kilometers. Got it? Very simple. Tips, I'll tell you simple tips that how you can solve easily. Split the distance, that is 180. They have given first half and second half, right? You have to split the distance and divide by speed. You have to divide the distance by speed of first half and speed of second half. add the times. Total time is equal to time 1 time 2. Total time we will get. This is very simple how you can solve easily. If you found this information helpful, then subscribe to my channel for more aptitude tricks and tips, and share this with your friends who are facing difficulty to solve speed, distance and time related problems. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.